Hi guys, nice to have you back again. Thanks for joining the Club of Global Schools online lessons. So, last lesson we had will be, won't be. You know, be has a special function in English. Today, I think we should continue with will plus full verb. You know, full verb is everything but to be, like go, sing, dance, learn, all these things you really do where you are really active. My first example is with do, because do also is a full verb. Here we go. Will plus full verb and won't plus full verb. These are two words. Okay? Okay. So, let's take the example do. Will plus do. I could ask Rafa, what will you do this weekend? You see, it is nothing obliging. It is nothing I'm asking, whoa, now Rafa has to give me a promise. No, it works the same way with will be. I'm just asking him in general, absolutely non-obliging. Rafa, what will you do this weekend?
I still have no plans.
You devil, you should give me an example with will. Will you go swimming?
No, I won't go swimming.
So cold in Germany. So you see, I asked Rafa, what will you do this weekend? Okay? And Rafa was not sure what to say. So I asked him, will you go swimming this weekend? And Rafa said,
no, I won't go swimming.
Aha! I won't go swimming. You see, here I won't. And as you can see in my question, what will you do? Because of the will, the major verb is in the infinitive. The infinitive means you find it like that in the dictionary. And the same with Rafa's answer. I won't go swimming. It's clear. So, the next example. I can ask, what will you do about this problem? What will you do about this transport problem? I'm asking. And then you just have this plantain idea and you say, well, I will order another forwarder. It's a spontaneous idea, and for 50%, it will happen, but you cannot promise because you don't know if you can find another forwarder. Maybe you ask yourself, what's a forwarder? A forwarder is a company that transports your boxes and parcels.
Like a logistic company.
It's a logistic company with an international logistics system. That is a forwarder. Okay. We've just tried our way through do. Now let's have a look at go, sing, and visit. Now, I'm asking you, will you go to the movies? Will you go to the movies this weekend, Rafa?
No, I won't go to the movies.
Oh, I don't know what Rafa will do this weekend. I mean, he won't go swimming, he won't go to the movies, but okay, he will find something nice. I won't go to the movies. I'm making it short. Yeah? Okay. I can ask, will Jennifer go to the movies this weekend?
Yes, she will go to the movies.
You see, Jennifer will go to the movies. And you see what is happening. Will Jenny go to the movies? What is happening here? No S. After will, there's always the infinitive. Remember, infinitive is a word you find in your dictionary, right? Will Jenny go to the movies? And what did Rafa say? Yes. She will go to the movies. So nothing is happening with our verb. So you see, it is really, really easy. Will plus infinitive. Always. So, Rafa, do you think Jenny will sing in this famous choir?
No, she won't sing in this choir.
Okay. Will Jenny sing in this choir? Jenny's voice is that of a raven. No. She won't sing in the choir. You see, she has really no voice. The same thing is, will Billy Boy sing in the choir?
Yes, he will.
You devil. Okay, Billy, a good example. Will Billy sing in this choir? Yes, he will sing in this famous choir. You see, nothing is happening with our major verb. She will sing in the choir. He will sing in the choir. Rafa, do you think I will sing in the choir?
Yes, you will sing.
No. I tell you what, I certainly won't sing in the choir, okay? My voice is that of an albatross, yeah? So, there you go. No, I won't. I won't sing. So, actually, I can't even use the won't because I know I'm not going to. You see, here is a perfect, I know I'm not going to sing in the choir, but going to is on another page. Anyway, I could ask Rafa, will you visit your family next year?
No, I won't visit my family next year.
Oh, God bless you. You see, the problem is Rafa is from Brazil, so it takes a lot to visit his family, okay? So, I asked Rafa, will you visit your family next year? And Rafa looked at me, no, I won't visit my family. But maybe Rafa will win in the lottery, and I know that he's going to visit his family next year if he wins in the lottery. So, his answer was, no, I won't visit my family next year. So you see, nothing is happening to our verb. We have go, go, sing, sing, visit, and in front, the won't or will. And the same thing with the question, go, go, sing, sing, visit. It's all the infinitive, your dictionary word after the will. Okay? Any more questions?
No, I think it's pretty clear now.
Okay. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Remember to like. Remember to subscribe to support us in our job we're doing here. And have a great day.